Hi, it's me, Zaphod Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru, and this arrived for me today, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Let's see. Could it possibly be the Chinese not drill press, oh, there we go, I don't want to stab myself. Could it possibly be my Chinese mini mill? Let us see. Well, that looks awfully like a Chinese mini mill to me. So, let's see what's in the box. Now this came from Walmart, so I know it's returnable if it's bad. Well, that has a better quality base than the previous one had. I have no idea what this is. I'm going to have a look at this. Let's see. Huh. It's an apron. Who would have thought it? Okay. Bonus points. Now, this looks like it could be the power supply. And indeed, it is a power supply. I can't read it, but it is a power supply. It looks pretty much the same as the power supply for the drill press. Now, oh, and there's a thing. This has an honest to goodness manual labeling every single piece I like it. Yes. This is a much better manual than I had with that mini lathe. This can also be built as a lathe, but I need both. So I bought both, and rather than go to all the fuss of building it and then rebuilding it and building it and rebuilding it. Oh. There we go. And let's get the instructions out and the tools and the power cable. And I put all the packaging. Oh, it's got safety glasses with it. That is something that the other one didn't have. Now the other one came from Amazon. This one came from Walmart. So let me just see if I can put this together. And I'm liking this a lot. Zendal is the supplier. Okay, we've got collets. No. Oh yes. Collets, and that we'll probably stop that with a Allen key. Yep, use Allen key to stop that. Undo that nut, that looks like a 12mm, so I can probably put a real chuck on that. Now what's this? Again, I can't read it. This has got tools with it. The other one did not have only had one tool with it. This one has got 3 tools, not 4 if you count that one. So tools. Good heavens. They really went to town on this. And it should be relatively easy to put together. And I'm not believing this. And safety glasses as well. Safety glasses and an apron. That moves very nicely. Oh. One downside, there's a handle missing here. Let me just check the box. I'm checking the box and I'm not seeing the missing handle. It's not in there. I just check that these are all tools. They haven't shoved a handle in there. That one's not wanting to open. Come on. Tool. Tool. Okay. So we're missing a handle off this one. Slight negative, but no biggie. Now these are probably for mounting it. Oh, that's interesting. That slider that is lockable, and they've got, that is not quite the way it should be. Okay. Okay. Huh, interesting. What's going on there? Okay. Oh, they've got way more of this than they needed. Okay, we'll just tighten that there. So that can't slide now. So we're pretty well centered, so that's good. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. Not quite sure why that is moving the way it is, but we'll get there. Now these are T-nuts by the look of it. Do they fit in here? Yes, they fit in there. But this is the interesting thing. There are only 2 holes and I have 4 screws. So that is that's quite interesting. I would have thought there would have been a... No, that moves. Okay, so I'm going to try and connect this. Put this together. Okay. Let's put that there like that. Oops. Okay. Let's put this one. This is going to take forever. And I'm sorry if you're getting bored. I did not show this on the other video. Right. Now, if I put this like that, and I put this one, oops, put this one like that, then maybe, oh, I can slide it on. Oops. What was that on the ground? I don't know. Okay, there we are. Right, so let's slide that there. And there we are.